Hello, in this video, I will show you how to connect any Chinese smartwatch to your phone. I have here several smartwatches, including Series 7, 8 and 9, T800, T900 and T500 Plus Pro Smartwatch. The first step is to activate Bluetooth and GPS location on your smartphone, and to make sure that your phone has an internet connection. The smartwatch need to be charged, turned on, and not connected to any other smartphone. The second step, which is also the most important step, is to find out which application your smartwatch is using. This can be done by scanning the QR code on the smartwatch, or by checking the smartwatch box or instruction manual. Unfortunately, if your watch is using Android as operating system, you will not be able to connect to any phone, as the watch in itself is a phone. Next step is to download the application from the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or from the Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone. Do not connect the smartwatch to your phone in the Bluetooth menu on your phone, as you will do for example for a speaker. This is a mistake that many people do and is not correct. Open the application on your smartphone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect the smartwatch to your phone. Flight mode should be turned off on your smartwatch. I am using the Fit Pro application as an example in this video, as it is the most used application for smartwatches. But if your smartwatch is using any other application like HiWatch Pro, Laxasfit or Hryfine, you can find detailed videos on my channel on how to connect for these smartwatches. I will put the links in the description below. Once you are connected, follow the steps shown to activate WhatsApp, Facebook and other social media notifications on your smartwatch. If you want to make or receive phone calls on your smartwatch, you will need to activate Bluetooth calling function on the smartwatch. You also need to connect the smartwatch to your phone in the Bluetooth setting on your smartphone. Please note that after connecting the watch to your phone by Bluetooth, all the sounds playing on your phone will now be playing on the smartwatch. Leave a comment below if you have any issues. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.